Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 CNC spindle motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Spindle for CNC. Specifications. Brand name, JCWN. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 0.8 N. Operating speed, 0-18,000 RPM, 0-24,000 RPM. Application, milling. Voltage, 110V, 220V, 380V. Frequency, 300 Hz, 400 Hz. Spindle current, 8.5 A. Weight, 8 kilograms. Item number 4 is G-Penny ER20. Specifications. Brand name, G-Penny machine. Drive, motor. Maximum torque, 0.8 Newton meters. Operating speed, 0-24,000 RPM. Application, milling. Power, 2.2 kilowatts. Cooling, water-cooled. Call it AR20. Frequency, 400 Hz. Spindle clamp, 80 mm. Inverter type, 220V 2.2 kilowatts 400 Hz. Application, milling, engraving. Size, 80 by 230 mm. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vever air-cooled spindle motor. Specifications. Power, 2.2 kW. Frequency, 400 Hz. Speed, 0-24,000 R/min. Call it Chuck, AR20. Runout off, less than 0.005 mm. Length, 30 cm. Width, 25 cm. Height, 22 cm. Gross weight, 5 kilograms. Item number 2 is Vever air-cooled spindle motor. Specifications. Application, milling. Call it ER11, AR20, ER25. Power, 1.5 kW. Voltage, 220V. Frequency, 200 to 400 Hz. Speed, 1200240000 R/min. Runout off, less than 0.002 mm. Maximum torque, 1.1 Nm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Vever air-cooled spindle motor. Specifications. Power, 2.2 kW. Voltage, 220V. Frequency, 200 to 400 Hz. Speed, 1200240000 R/min. Runout off, less than 0.002 mm. Maximum torque, 1.7 Nm. Application, milling. Spindle motor, 0.8 kW 1.5 kW 2.2 kW 4 kW. Call it Chuck, AR11 ER20 ER25.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.